Top 5 Eyebrow Embroidery Tips for Better Looking Brows. To ensure that the brows look good for a long time, here are several tips that everyone needs to know to get the best results. Tip number 1. Look for an eyebrow shape that you want to achieve. Each face is different, so it is crucial to find the right eyebrow shape that is suitable for the person's facial features. While some would look great if they choose to follow the latest eyebrow trend and replicate the look of celebrities, it may not look the same. Make it a point to look for different inspirations to find the right arch and curve to have the perfect eyebrows for your face. Tip number 2. Ask for suggestions from your professional eyebrow embroidery specialist. Consult with the eyebrow expert if you have a particular brow shape in mind. You can show the eyebrow expert a picture of the eyebrow shape that you intend to have, then allow the expert to tell you if your choice works well for your face shape. They would analyze based on your prominent facial shape, then present several suggestions that you can choose from. Tip number 3. Learn the proper preparation process before your eyebrow embroidery procedure. Before the procedure, ask your eyebrow technician about how to prepare for the treatment. They would want you to stop using blood-thinning medications and fish oil supplements 7 days before your scheduled procedure. Stop applying skin thinners on the brow area before having the eyebrow embroidery. It includes ointments and creams containing glycol acids and vitamin A. Tip number 4. Ask for aftercare advice. Once you had your eyebrow embroidery procedure done, the beautician will give you a set of aftercare instructions to give you the best results after the treatment. Avoid touching and having the brow area wet with water or excessive sweat for around 3 days. Keep yourself from scratching the area when it starts to itch by the approximately 4th or 5th day. Avoid using, making or applying skincare products on the brows for 1 week. Tip number 5. Inquire about making the eyebrow embroidery last longer. Since eyebrow embroidery is an investment, make sure that the effects would last longer. The eyebrow technician will recommend an aftercare cream that you need to apply for at least 1 week or until the peeling is over. Once all the scabs fall off, expect the color to fade. When this happens, you can return to the eyebrow embroidery salon for the touch-up to revive the lost color. After learning all these tips, understand that the eyebrow embroidery is not a permanent solution to enhance your brows. You need to have it retouched after at least 6 to 8 months to maintain the brow's quality. Consider having a darker eyebrow color during the procedure since it will lighten after a while. If you begin with a darker color, it will eventually look more natural as time passes by. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your eyebrow embroidery procedure.